I rise to join with the chairman of the Veterans Affairs Committee to urge passage of S. 1963. This bill contains the Rural Veterans Health Care Improvement Act, a bipartisan measure that will make countless improvements in the VA for veterans in most of the rural places of this country. This bill locks in mileage reimbursement rate for our disabled veterans who have to travel long distances to get to a VA clinic. It also gives greater authority to develop new strategies to address the mental health needs of OIF and OEF veterans in highly rural areas, where access to health care is an enormous challenge. I'm also pleased that the bill authorized hiring of health care coordinators at a local level to prioritize the needs of our country's 184,000 American Indian veterans. Most of these veterans are located in just a few states. The bill will get folks who understand the unique needs of tribal veterans to the areas that need them the most. I am honored that we're able to get strong support across the veterans community for this bill, and I think it will help a lot of rural veterans if we just get this bill passed. When someone puts their life on the line to defend this country, they have earned health care, education benefits, and disability benefits if needed. America's responsibility to honor the promise of our veterans should not depend on whether the veteran lives in an urban area, but too often that is still the case. This bill helps to address some of the inequalities facing rural veterans. This bill was approved unanimously by the VA committee just before Memorial Day. It is now almost Veterans Day. We can do better by folks who have served our country and settled down in rural America. Let's not stand in the way of better VA services for rural veterans. Mr. President, I understand that there's been a hold put on this bill. Our veterans are too important to play politics with. The fact of the matter is our veterans are folks who I said in my comments that have served this country so very, very well. We need to step up to the plate and serve them in the same way they've served us. Live up to our promises. Live up to our obligations to the veterans of this country. Mr. President, I would encourage this Senate to pass this bill very, very soon. Hopefully, we can get it done before Veterans Day.